Hi there, Tony here. Hope you're having an extraordinary day. We do hear a lot in our all YouTube videos how audio is so important. Some people even say that audio is far more important than the video quality. So let's really compare. Now you should be hearing me from the built-in microphone in our Canon M50. Now you hear me from our external studio microphone, the Sennheiser MKA 600. Do you see any difference? There are many options out there for good quality microphones from ranging from few bucks till like 7,000 even more US dollars. So in today's video we're going to show you one very affordable microphone that could really boost your audio quality for your YouTube videos and also if you want to do some sort of presentations. But before we do so, make sure to hit the like button, absolutely destroy the like button, subscribe, and also ring the bell so you receive future notifications. So the product I'm going to show you today is the new one from Audio-Technica. It's actually a successor model. So we were using in the past the ATR 3350Xis and they released recently a new model called ATR 3350Xis. So this actually product comes in two versions. One is with this adapter, which is one 4-pin stereo jack to two normal ones where you have for the microphone and a separate channel for the headphones. Right. Yeah, I mean, we really like this product because it's very affordable. It does quite nicely the job and it's extremely good for people who really want to shoot something on the fly and they are like on the budget. We are using some models like from Sennheiser, the G3s, but they are far more expensive. Okay, so one of the key features that they've done now is that this product actually comes with a far shorter cable. In the past it was like 6 meters of cable, so it was extremely long. Now they were able to reduce the price and by doing so they also had the cable a little bit shorter. Now it's around 2 meters. That's everything that we come in the box. We have the warranty card, we have some instruction manuals, but who reads those? It's pretty basic, plug and play. So here is the actual microphone. So it's a normal stereo jack and this is the microphone. We have our windshield here that we want to use if we have like more windy environment, if we're outside, and also it will remove all the we have also the clip and it's using one battery. It's like L1154F. It's quite normal regular battery. So what you need to do is unzip it here and you need to be careful with the plus and minus, how you're going to put the battery. Okay. Now that the battery is installed, we can use the shield again and we can turn on the microphone. One thing that I honestly would like to have improved in future versions, if we have like a LED or something indicating that the microphone is up. So here is the idea, and then you put it somewhere on your shirt like that. You have also a clamp here. You just put it somewhere like on the jeans or something, and then you just plug it to a device. Let's say I want to use my iPad. You just turn it into the stereo jack. I'm using GarageBand. I just select a microphone. So let's start recording. Testing. Do you hear me? Better. Now do you hear me better? Right, okay, so a little bit troubleshooting was done and we found what's the issue. As it turns out, my tablet is not recognizing the standard 3.5 stereo jack with the 3 pins. So what we had to do is actually use the adapter, which is 2 stereo jacks to 4-pin one, and we just plug it in, plug into the stereo jack. So let's now make again a sound check. So now you're hearing me from the Audio-Technica ATR 3350X. Now you're hearing me from the Sennheiser MKA 600. And now you're hearing me from the built-in camera microphone. Do you see the difference? I believe so. Hit the like button, subscribe, and also ring the bell, ring the YouTube bell, so you get notified for any future videos that we're going to have. I was your host, Tony. It was a pleasure. See you next time.